Alright, it is my favorite time of year. It is summer, and at Klatch we've got delicious cocktails, including my absolute favorite to celebrate my birthday, the Naked Verbena. So, I'm going to show you guys how I make it. So in case you can't make it into a Klatch, you can totally make this at home. So what we're going to start with is, I've got a little cup of ice here, which is perfect. We're going to build our drink into that cup. In my martini shaker, I'm gonna go ahead and add some lemon zest. In case you don't know, this is the drink that I used in 2003 to win the US Barista Champion, and it is still today one of my favorite drinks. The story of this drink, I literally was at a farmer's market, stumbled upon a lemon verbena plant, and was like, I wanna do something with this. Okay, lemon peel in the martini shaker. I just talked about that beautiful lemon verbena. This is it right here. So fragrant. I'm gonna tear off about 4 or 5 leaves, add them to my martini shaker. Fresh espresso that I just brewed. I'm gonna go ahead and add this. It's nice and warm, and that's what's gonna get the essence of the lemon and everything else into the espresso and flavor it and make it wonderful. Now, to my cup here, I just got a little simple syrup, just an ounce. I'm gonna go ahead and put that at the bottom of my cup. And now I'm gonna add some ice to my martini shaker. Not too much, but we're chilling down the espresso, and we're also gonna go ahead right now, and it's gonna be super foamy. And it makes this drink super pretty as well and layered. You want to shake it really well. You can sing happy birthday since this is my birthday drink. You can sing happy birthday, and that's how many shakes you want to do. All right, and the final unveiling. Oh my gosh, guys, this is awesome. Look at this. We're just gonna pour it right on top, and this is exactly what you want. Gorgeous. And then to garnish, obviously, I'm gonna take this little lemon verbena. I'm gonna do it nice and big so that it's easy to pull out if you don't want to actually drink it. And there you go, guys, the Naked Verbena. Enjoy.